can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Verasity. The last 1 week has seen Verasity lose 8.6% of its value. The last 1 month has seen Verasity go down 15%. On a yearly time frame, Verasity is still down 45% from its all-time highs. Currently trading around $0.0013. We look at Verasity's performance against the US dollar. We've gotten to the month of September. Historically, that's not been a good month for crypto, but will this be the month where all coins go parabolic? Will this be the month we see Verasity pumping, attempting to get to new yearly highs, possibly new all-time highs? Also look at Verasity's performance against Bitcoin, almost dropping to new all-time lows. Can we see a reversal come out for Verasity's performance against Ethereum? Also look at Veracity's market cap, which currently sits around $112 million. Altcoin season is around the corner. How will it affect the price of Verasity? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Verasity currently trades around $0.0013 with a fully diluted market cap sitting at around $132 million. If you look at Veracity's all-time high, it came in 2021. Verasity was trading for as high as $0.086. Right now, it's down 98% from that all-time highs. How high can Verasity possibly go in the coming days and the coming weeks? It all depends on huge resistance level. Verasity has been dumping aggressively. We've seen it dump to as low as the $0.001 level in this bear market. That's the lowest price we've seen Verasity trade since 2021. Last time Verasity was trading at this price region, we saw an epic parabolic run that ended the bull market with Verasity gaining more than 8,500% against the US dollar. And even though I'm not expecting a kind of outrageous pump for Verasity, I'm expecting one of those wild epic alt-season pump. But key levels to watch out for: the higher we go, the dangerous it becomes. I believe the month of September will be a great month for altcoins. Altcoin season index already telling us we're having an altcoin month. An altcoin month happens when altcoins are performing Bitcoin over a 30-day period, and an epic alt season, that's what I've been waiting for in the cryptocurrency market. An alt season is when altcoins over the period of the last 90 days will outperform Bitcoin. If 75% of the top 50 coins do better than Bitcoin over a 90-day period, that is called an alt season. Now, with Verasity trading around the $0.0013 level, I would expect us to first find resistance around $0.0042. And because of how alt-season pump comes, I would expect us to clear that resistance, clear the $0.0082 level. Where I see us finding a lot of difficulties is when we get to as high as the $0.0158 region. From where we're currently trading right now, for Verasity to clear all this huge resistance level for us to see us pumping aggressively to the moon, we need to see Verasity pull out more than a 700% pump to the upside. To be exact, we need to see the Verasity rally up by more than 1,100%, which is very possible, which can happen very quickly. The last time we saw Verasity pulling such moves was in 2021, and it took around 49 days for Verasity to rally up by 1,400%. Now, the higher we go, guys, the dangerous it becomes. The higher we go, the more market participants want more profits. Down in Goblin Town, you see people getting very bearish. If you look at sentiment right now in the cryptocurrency markets, nothing to write home about. Market participants are not running helter-skelter to buy altcoins. They're focusing on Bitcoin, focusing on Ethereum, because that has been the main drivers of this party. Because after Bitcoin getting above $100,000, you can see that market participants want more. At $110,000, sentiment has flipped back to neutral. At Ethereum trading around $4,300, market participants are not excited. So you expect their attention to shift next to the altcoin market. I expect them to go to look up altcoins like Verasity. So in the coming days and coming weeks, watch out for increase in volume in trading volume for Verasity, and also watch out for increase in market cap of Verasity. You want to get some Verasity for yourself, you can get some on Binance, you can get some on Uniswap, on Bybit, on OKX, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some Verasity right there. Verasity is an open ledger ecosystem designed to fight advertising fraud, provide open access to infrastructure for publishers and advertisers, and reward users for watching video content. Verasity also provides payment solutions and rewarding staking ecosystem with 15% yield guarantee through to April 2024. If you look at Veracity's performance against Ethereum, it has dropped to new all-time lows, which historically in the cryptocurrency market is a good sign. That's what you want to see. When you want to buy these altcoins, you want to see them dead. You want to see them going to zero against Bitcoin, against Ethereum. Against Ethereum, the last time we saw Verasity down in Goblin Town at zero, looking like there was no hope, was in January of 2021. What followed that was an epic bull market for Verasity. We saw Verasity outperforming Ethereum in 77 days by more than 5,000%. Now, I'm not expecting a 5,000% pump over the next 2 months, but around the 500 to a 600% pump will be something to write home about for Verasity to rally up just around 1,000%. That will see us heading back to prices not seen since February of 2024. For Verasity to pump back by 600%, that will return us to prices not seen since December of 2024. So there's a lot of room for Verasity to rise at the end of a market cycle. You see market participants flipping their Ethereum back into Verasity, back into other altcoins. You also see them flipping their Bitcoin back into Verasity. Because if you look at Veracity's performance against Bitcoin at a new all-time low, which is a good sign. You want to buy low, you want to sell high. You want to buy when there's fear in the market, and when greed returns to the market, you want to sell for some sweet profit. And right now, sentiment in the altcoin market is down, even though all the technicals are telling us there's a huge rally around the corner, even though technicals are telling us we should be getting ready to go to the moon. Will you be at the moon? Bitcoin dominance is dumping. Historically, Bitcoin dominance dumping has been good for the cryptocurrency market. I don't think this time is different. I believe this time we're going to see Bitcoin dominance get to that 50% region. And Bitcoin dominance getting there might send altcoins going parabolic, with greed returning back to the cryptocurrency market. With the altcoin season index flashing altcoins, that will be all the ingredients retail investors need to run back to the market. At the same time, we need to pay attention to Veracity's market cap, which currently sits at the $127 million level. When we get to $800 million, when we get to that $1 billion or $1.5 billion level, that might be a telltale sign that the end of the rally is near. For us to even get to $1.5 billion, we need to see Verasity rally up by 1,000%. Guys, drop it out in the comment section. Are you buying more Verasity right now? What's your own price target? How high do you see Verasity going in the coming days and the coming weeks? Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more. Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.